Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video we'll discuss the top 7 best Mandoline slicers. So let's get started. Number 7. OXO Steel Chefs. This single unit does everything you'd want a Mandoline to do. Straight cuts, waffle and wavy cuts, small julienne cuts and larger French fry cuts. In total there are 17 different thickness cuts ranging from 1 mm to 9 mm in half millimeter increments. There is a straight blade for cutting through hard foods like carrots or potatoes and a serrated blade that's better for tomatoes, bell peppers and onions. The cutting thickness is adjustable with the turn of a knobband. The julienne and French fry cutters stay covered when out of use. This model is made of angled Japanese stainless steel, so it's built to last. Comes with a handguard for safety and has sturdy legs to hold it at a comfortable angle while slicing. The blades are easy to remove for cleaning. Hand washing is recommended. Number 6. Prepworks by Progressive. Adjust if you don't need a lot of fancy options, this inexpensive Mandoline will make short work of vegetables. It adjusts to 3 different thicknesses and has julienne blades that pop up for cutting zucchini, carrots and other vegetables, for salads and stir-fry. This comes with a handguard. It is dishwasher safe, but it might be easier to hand wash to clean all the nooks and crannies. Number 5. Bron Coucke. Produced by the company that created the original Mandoline, this can make straight, wavy and julienne cuts from paper thin to 1/2 inch thick. There are additional blades available separately for making julienne cuts of different sizes. This is a large, sturdy unit that weighs 5 pounds, so it might be a little bit too large for some folks who want a more compact unit. The sturdy legs fold flat for more compact storage. The included handguard is made from stainless steel and rides on rails on the Mandoline, so it's very safe. However, if you want to make waffle cuts, you can't use the guard since you can't turn the vegetable to make the second cut, so extreme care should be taken, or cut-resistant gloves should be used. K time equals 0.9 s greater than number 4. Kyocera Advanced Ceramic. Kyocera is one of the recognized names when it comes to ceramic knives. So it's no surprise it also makes a variety of mandolines with ceramic blades made from its proprietary zirconia material. This one is adjustable for cuts of 0.5, 1.3, 2, and 3 mm for wafer-thin slices for homemade potato chips, or thicker slices for sautés and salads. The ceramic blade starts off ultra-sharp for easy cutting, and it will maintain its edge for longer than similar metal blades. It's also rust-proof and resistant to acids, so it will look good and work well for a long time. The Mandoline includes a handguard that grips food, keeping fingers away from the sharp blade for safe cutting every time, and the handle is easy to hold for comfortable slicing. A hole at the end of the handle means this can be hung on a hook for convenient storage, or it can fit in a drawer easily. Number 3. Fullstar Mandoline Slicer Spiralizer. Not just a Mandoline. This can also chop, grate, spiralize, and store. So it's a great tool for cooks who love their vegetables. There are 5 interchangeable blades and an easy dial that adjusts the cutting thickness, so the vegetables are the right size, whether they're for salads, soups, or stews. The standalone spiralizer can cut large or small julienne strips or ribbon slices, while the dicer blades offer 2 different sizes. The Mandoline can do julienne cuts or straight cuts, along with grating. The Mandoline and dicers fit on top of a catch tray inside a non-slip base that keeps it stable during cutting. The catch tray is removable and can be used for storing foods that have been prepped ahead. When cutting is done, all the parts are top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 2. Benriner Jumbo Handheld. If you're more likely to cut large potatoes, melons, eggplants, or even small cabbages, this wide-bodied mandoline will be able to handle those large vegetables with ease on its 6.5-inch wide cutting surface. It is made from plastic with a stainless steel blade and includes a handguard. It has a fixed straight blade that makes thick slices. If you need more versatility, Benriner also makes similar mandolines with multiple blades and adjustable cutting thicknesses. But they aren't this wide. This is top-rack dishwasher safe. Number 1. Swissmar Bron V-Slicer. This V-Slice mandoline has reversible blades for 2 different slicing thicknesses as well as different blades for julienne and French fry cuts. V-Slicers tend to be better at cutting softer foods, like tomatoes, than mandolines with straight blades. But they work well for other types of food as well. This mandoline is made primarily from plastic with stainless steel blades. It includes a handguard but does not have legs. All 4 of the pieces fit together in a compact holder for easy storage. It should be washed by hand.